Well, hello again from Parkland RV Center in Leadington, Missouri. This is Patty. Patty's pick today is the 2023 Forest River Salem FSX Platinum 270 RTKX toy hauler. Before we go in, I'm going to show you a couple of things here on the outside. The first one is here up front. It has an outdoor kitchen. So you've got your handy refrigerator here. Perfect size to put some drinks in. A tiny little freezer. Everything you need. And then it has an outdoor griddle that pulls out. And then when you're finished, you just push it in. And you're ready to go. Now we're going to cruise back here to the back. And toy haulers are great, but this one's even better because it has this great patio. So your ramp actually makes into a patio. And it has the, I don't know, fence. I'm not sure what the technical term is, but it has this around it. And it even has this cool gate. You just flip a lever and it opens up. I don't know if I can do it from this side, but this opens right here. So it's perfect. Keep your kids, your pet, everything in, and you can enjoy wherever you're camping. And as you can see, it's nice and roomy inside. That is a 14-foot garage that you're looking at, so you should be able to fit your toys in there no problem. Let's go on in and take a look. It does have outdoor speakers, as you can tell. It has removable underbelly panels. It is a cold weather package. It has 12-volt tank mounted heating pads. You can go camping in the extended season. All right, when we head in, it has a really nice floor plan. Got a little shelf here, and this shelf does fold down. We also have my favorite. In these FSXs now, the fridge will open from this side, and it will open from this side. You can get your drinks from either direction. Too cool. You also have your vent and your hood right here. 3 burners cooktop and a convection microwave. Sink and lots of storage. Fireplace with more storage. And a mount for your TV. The mount is already in here. You just have to put your TV in. I love this. They've got new. They don't have those blinds that you always have trouble with. These just snap off. So that's really cool. These fold down to make a bed. And then they fold up to get your toys in. They also have storage containers underneath so you can store all your stuff. This table will fold down, or you can move it out of the way so you can get out to the groovy patio. And then if we head back in this direction, oh, let me look real quick. It does have solar on board, so there's your solar monitor. Really nice sized bathroom with more storage. And your bedroom. You've got a queen bed. Lots of storage. Both sides you've got 2 USB chargers. And then a regular outlet on each side. And then if we go over here, you've got more storage. So I thought that was a cool feature. All right, and you've got your, once again, your TV mount is already included. You just bring your TV and you're all set. And that is your tour of the 2023 Forest River Salem FSX 270 RTKX. If you'd like to see it in person, come on over to Parkland RV Center in Leadington, Missouri. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.